Welcome to Module 5, where we will explore managing sessions and networking in CloudRun. This comprehensive module focuses on visualizing session handling and VPC integration using detailed flow diagrams. Throughout this module, we will examine three fundamental areas. First, HTTP sessions with memory store and Redis for stateful data management. Second, VPC connectors that enable private IP communication. Third, session affinity mechanisms that enhance application responsiveness. We will utilize comprehensive visual aids, including sequence diagrams and network topology maps, to illustrate data flow and system architecture. These diagrams will demonstrate how requests move through the CloudRun environment and interact with various networking components. By the end of this module, you will understand how to create a secure and efficient networking setup for your CloudRun applications. You will master session management patterns, VPC integration techniques, and advanced networking strategies that ensure optimal performance and security. This foundational knowledge will enable you to build scalable, secure, and high-performance serverless applications. Let's begin our detailed exploration of CloudRun session and networking management. CloudRun is fundamentally designed to run stateless containers. This architectural principle means that applications cannot rely on internal state persistence between requests. When a container instance terminates or restarts, any data stored in memory or local storage is permanently lost. This creates a significant challenge for maintaining user sessions. To address this limitation, session data must be stored in external storage systems. Cloud Memory Store and Redis provide robust solutions for persistent session management. Session data flows between the client, CloudRun container, and external storage. This ensures data persistence across container lifecycle events. Cloud Memory Store provides several built-in security features that make it ideal for session storage in production environments. VPC peering enables secure, private network connectivity between CloudRun and Memory Store, eliminating exposure to public internet traffic. Private IP addresses ensure that session data communication occurs entirely within Google Cloud's secure infrastructure, providing an additional layer of protection. Session data typically includes authentication tokens, user preferences, shopping cart contents, and application state. This information must persist across multiple requests and container instances. By implementing external session storage with Memory Store or Redis, CloudRun applications can maintain stateful user experiences while preserving the benefits of stateless container architecture. VPC connectors serve as essential bridges that enable CloudRun services to securely communicate with resources within virtual private cloud networks using private IP addresses. CloudRun services operate in a serverless environment, while VPC networks provide isolated private networking infrastructure for Google Cloud resources. By default, CloudRun services cannot directly access resources within VPC networks, creating a connectivity challenge for applications requiring private network communication. The serverless VPC access connector solves this connectivity challenge by creating a secure bridge between CloudRun services and VPC networks. This connector enables bidirectional communication, allowing CloudRun services to send traffic to VPC networks while maintaining security through private IP addressing. VPC connectors enhance security by restricting communication to private IP addresses, eliminating exposure to the public internet, and significantly reducing the attack surface. Configuring VPC connectors involves three key steps: creating the connector within your target VPC network, attaching it to your CloudRun service, and configuring egress settings to route traffic through the private network. The complete traffic flow demonstrates how client requests reach CloudRun services, which then securely communicate with VPC resources through the connector using private IP addresses, ensuring end-to-end security. By leveraging VPC connectors, organizations achieve enhanced security posture while maintaining the scalability and flexibility of CloudRun services, creating a robust foundation for enterprise applications. Session affinity is a powerful feature in CloudRun that enhances application responsiveness by intelligently routing client requests to maintain state consistency across container instances. To understand how session affinity works, let's visualize the routing process. Without session affinity, client requests are distributed randomly across available container instances, potentially losing client-specific state. With session affinity enabled, CloudRun uses a session cookie to identify requests from the same client and consistently routes them to the same container instance, preserving client-specific state and improving responsiveness. The session affinity cookie has a time to live of 30 days, providing long-term consistency for client sessions. This extended duration ensures that returning users maintain their session state across multiple visits. Session affinity provides significant benefits for applications that store client-specific state. By maintaining routing consistency, it eliminates the need to recreate or retrieve state information, resulting in faster response times and improved user experience. It is important to understand that session affinity in CloudRun is a best effort service, not a guarantee. If a container becomes unavailable or reaches capacity, CloudRun will automatically move the affinity to a different available container instance to maintain service availability. To understand how session management works in CloudRun, we need to visualize the complete request flow through a sequence diagram. This diagram shows the interaction between the client, CloudRun service, container instances, and session storage. Step 1. The client sends an HTTP request to the CloudRun service. This request may or may not contain a session affinity cookie from a previous interaction. Step 2. CloudRun examines the incoming request to check for the presence of a session affinity cookie. This cookie contains information that identifies which container instance previously handled requests from this client. Step 3. Based on the cookie check, CloudRun makes a routing decision. If a valid session affinity cookie exists, the request is routed to the same container instance. If no cookie exists, CloudRun selects an available container instance and creates a new session affinity cookie. Step 4. The container instance interacts with memory store or Redis to retrieve existing session data or store new session information. This external storage ensures session persistence across container restarts and enables stateful behavior in the stateless CloudRun environment. Step 5. Finally, the container processes the request using the retrieved session data and sends the HTTP response back through CloudRun to the client. The response includes the session affinity cookie, ensuring future requests from this client are routed to the same container instance when possible. This sequence diagram illustrates the complete session flow in CloudRun. The session affinity cookie ensures consistent routing, while external session storage in memory store or Redis maintains state across the stateless container environment. This architecture provides both scalability and session persistence for web applications. The network topology for CloudRun and VPC integration demonstrates a secure private communication architecture. This topology map illustrates how components are interconnected within Google Cloud's networking infrastructure. The CloudRun service connects to the VPC network through a serverless VPC access connector. This connector acts as a secure bridge, enabling the serverless environment to communicate with resources in your private VPC network. The VPC network forms a private, isolated environment within Google Cloud. This network boundary provides security and control over your cloud resources, ensuring that traffic remains within your designated network perimeter. Within the VPC network, the memory store Redis instance provides high-performance, managed caching, and session storage. This placement within the private network ensures secure access while maintaining optimal performance characteristics. This private network configuration eliminates exposure to the public internet, significantly enhancing security. The direct VPC connection provides lower latency and higher throughput compared to public network access. The traffic flow follows a secure path from the CloudRun service through the VPC connector into the private network, where it can access the Redis instance with optimal performance and security. This network topology provides three key advantages: secure private communication that isolates traffic from public networks, low latency access through direct VPC connections, and complete elimination of public internet exposure for sensitive data flows. Securing sessions in CloudRun requires understanding a fundamental principle. Containers are disposable and stateless. Local storage within containers is ephemeral and unsuitable for session data. The recommended approach uses memory store for Redis within a virtual private cloud. This architecture provides secure, persistent session storage with network isolation and high performance. Sensitive data such as API keys, database passwords, and encryption keys must be stored securely using Google Secret Manager. This service provides encrypted storage and controlled access to secrets. Implement organization policies to enforce security controls and regularly audit identity and access management policies. This includes restricting public access, enforcing VPC egress, and removing unused permissions. Advanced networking capabilities in CloudRun continue to evolve, offering enhanced performance and expanded connectivity options for enterprise applications. Direct VPC egress represents a significant advancement in CloudRun networking architecture. Unlike traditional VPC connectors that require managed intermediate instances, direct VPC egress provides a streamlined connection path. The direct VPC egress approach eliminates the need for managed connector instances, creating a direct pathway between CloudRun services and VPC resources. This architectural improvement delivers measurable performance benefits. Direct VPC egress provides three key advantages: reduced latency through elimination of intermediate hops, increased throughput capacity, and lower operational costs by removing the need for managed connector infrastructure. Looking toward the future, Google Cloud is expanding direct VPC egress capabilities beyond CloudRun. The roadmap includes potential integration with Cloud Functions Generation 2 and App Engine standard environments. Additionally, enhanced egress controls are being developed to provide granular network security policies. These controls will enable organizations to implement fine-grained restrictions on outbound traffic from serverless environments. These advanced networking capabilities position CloudRun as an enterprise-ready platform with sophisticated connectivity options. Organizations can leverage direct VPC egress for immediate performance improvements while preparing for future enhancements in network security and multi-service integration.